Introduction. In today's fast-paced world, the importance of real food for cellular health cannot be overstated. Cellular health is the foundation of our overall well-being, influencing everything from our energy levels to our immune function. When our cells are nourished with the right nutrients, they can perform optimally, leading to better health outcomes and a more vibrant life. In this video, we will explore how real food, whole, unprocessed ingredients, plays a crucial role in maintaining cellular integrity and function. You will learn about the specific nutrients that support cellular health, such as antioxidants, vitamins, and healthy fats, and how they contribute to reducing inflammation and promoting repair. We will also discuss the detrimental effects of processed foods on our cells and why making conscious food choices is essential for long-term health. Engaging with this topic is vital because nutrition is not just about what we eat, it's about how our food choices impact our daily lives. By understanding the significance of real food, you can empower yourself to make better dietary decisions that enhance your cellular health and overall well-being. So, let's dive in and discover how nourishing your body with real food can transform your health from the cellular level up. Understanding cellular health. Cellular health is a fundamental aspect of our overall well-being, as cells are the building blocks of life. Every function in our body, from digestion to movement, relies on the health and efficiency of our cells. When our cells are functioning optimally, they can communicate effectively, produce energy, and carry out essential processes that keep us alive and thriving. The impact of cellular health on our energy levels and immunity is profound. Healthy cells generate the energy we need to power through our daily activities, while also playing a crucial role in our immune response. When cells are compromised, whether due to poor nutrition, stress, or environmental factors, our energy levels can plummet, and our ability to fend off illness diminishes. Moreover, the concept of cellular regeneration and repair is vital for maintaining health. Our bodies are constantly replacing old or damaged cells with new ones, a process that is heavily influenced by the nutrients we consume. By prioritizing real food in our diets, we can support this regeneration process, ensuring that our cells are not only healthy but also capable of repairing themselves when needed. Understanding cellular health empowers us to make informed choices that enhance our vitality and longevity. What is real food? Real food refers to whole, unprocessed ingredients that are as close to their natural state as possible. These foods are rich in nutrients and free from artificial additives, preservatives, and excessive processing. In contrast, processed foods often contain refined ingredients, added sugars, unhealthy fats, and a long list of chemicals that can detract from their nutritional value. Understanding this distinction is crucial for making informed dietary choices. Examples of real food include fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains like brown rice and quinoa, nuts, seeds, and legumes. These foods are not only delicious but also packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. For instance, leafy greens provide essential nutrients like iron and calcium, while fruits like berries are rich in antioxidants that combat oxidative stress. One of the most significant advantages of real food is its nutritional density compared to processed options. While processed foods may be convenient, they often lack the essential nutrients our bodies need to function optimally. By choosing real food, you are fueling your body with high-quality nutrients that promote cellular health, boost energy levels, and enhance your immune system. Prioritizing these whole foods can lead to a healthier, more vibrant life. Nutrients essential for cellular health. To maintain optimal cellular health, it's crucial to incorporate key nutrients found in real food into our diets. Vitamins and minerals play a vital role in various cellular processes, including energy production, DNA repair, and immune function. For example, vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis and ACTs as a powerful antioxidant, while B vitamins are critical for energy metabolism and red blood cell formation. Antioxidants, found abundantly in fruits and vegetables, help protect our cells from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. This protection is essential for preventing cellular damage and promoting longevity. Foods rich in antioxidants, such as berries, dark chocolate, and leafy greens, should be staples in our diets. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly those found in fatty fish like salmon, are another essential nutrient for cellular health. These healthy fats support cell membrane integrity, reduce inflammation, and enhance communication between cells, which is vital for overall bodily function. Additionally, fiber plays a significant role in maintaining gut health, which is closely linked to cellular function. A healthy gut microbiome supports nutrient absorption and helps regulate inflammation, further promoting cellular health. By prioritizing these nutrients from real food, we can ensure our cells thrive and function optimally. The impact of processed foods. Processed foods are often laden with additives and preservatives that can have detrimental effects on cellular health. Common ingredients such as high fructose corn syrup, artificial colors, and trans fats are frequently found in these products. These substances not only lack nutritional value but can also disrupt normal cellular functions and contribute to various health issues. One significant concern with processed foods is their link to inflammation. Many processed options are high in refined sugars and unhealthy fats, which can trigger inflammatory responses in the body. Chronic inflammation is known to damage cells and tissues, leading to a host of diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and even certain cancers. This inflammatory state can hinder the body's ability to repair and regenerate cells effectively. Moreover, studies have shown that diets high in processed foods can accelerate cellular aging. Research indicates that individuals who consume more whole, unprocessed foods tend to have longer telomeres, the protective caps on the ends of chromosomes that shorten as we age. Shorter telomeres are associated with increased cellular aging and a higher risk of age-related diseases. By understanding the negative impact of processed foods, we can make more informed dietary choices that support our cellular health and overall well-being. Practical tips for incorporating real food. Incorporating more real food into your diet can be both enjoyable and rewarding. One effective way to start is by meal prepping with fresh ingredients. Set aside a few hours each week to prepare meals in advance. Chop vegetables, cook whole grains, and portion out proteins like grilled chicken or beans. This not only saves time during busy weekdays but also ensures you have healthy options readily available. Another great tip is to shop at local farmers markets. These markets often feature seasonal produce that is fresher and more flavorful than what you might find in a grocery store. Plus, buying locally supports your community and reduces the carbon footprint associated with transporting food. When shopping, focus on colorful fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. To make the transition easier, try simple recipes that highlight whole food ingredients. For example, a quinoa salad with cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and a drizzle of olive oil makes for a nutritious and satisfying meal. You can also whip up a vegetable stir-fry using seasonal veggies and tofu or chicken for added protein. By implementing these practical tips, you can seamlessly integrate more real food into your daily routine, enhancing your health and well-being. Conclusion. In summary, the importance of real food for maintaining cellular health cannot be overstated. By prioritizing whole, unprocessed ingredients, we provide our bodies with the essential nutrients needed for optimal cellular function, energy production, and immune support. We've discussed how vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and fiber all play crucial roles in promoting cellular health and preventing inflammation. Making informed dietary choices is key to enhancing our overall well-being. By understanding the negative impacts of processed foods and embracing the benefits of real food, we can significantly improve our health and longevity. Remember, small changes in your diet can lead to substantial improvements in your cellular health and vitality. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to engage with our content. Please subscribe to our channel for more insights on nutrition and health, like this video to show your support, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from learning about the power of real food. Together, we can create a community focused on better health and well-being. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.